Dear children, I hope you all are well. I am Rajat and today we are going to learn practical session on PowerPoint. It is a presentation software. So dear children, let's start learning Microsoft PowerPoint. What we have to do, go to the start button. Then there is a option PowerPoint. If you are not getting the option PowerPoint, you have to go to the all programs. After that, what you have to do, go to the Microsoft Office. So you can search Microsoft Office. After that, you can observe here PowerPoint. So you have to click on Microsoft PowerPoint. So children, when you are clicking on Microsoft PowerPoint, this screen will be open in front of you. It's showing a presentation. So children, now you can observe here there is an option of blank presentation. In the left panel you can observe your previous presentations that you have created earlier. So now children, there is your choice. Either you can select the pre-designed template or you can select the blank presentation. So click on blank presentation. When you are clicking on blank presentation, your presentation will appear. So children, there is a file tab. With the help of file tab, there is a new option, open option, information about this presentation, save option, save as, print, and some other options. So children, what we have to do, we have to work on new slide. So first you have to go to the home tab where there is a clipboard, slide, font, paragraph, drawing, and some other tools. Now this is the insert tab. With the insert tab you can insert picture in your slide. You can take new slide also. You can select picture, shape, illustration group. You can insert say smart art, chart, and so many features. There is a world art feature also. You can insert video and audio in your presentation also. So children, let's learn about the home tab. There is a layout option. It indicates which type of picture and content you want to insert in your slide. Like there is a title and content slides. Let's select this slide. So this rectangular box you are observing, this is called a placeholder. So click to add the title means children, we will write here the title of your presentation, like it is my presentation. So I will write topic here, my presentation. So children, based on my presentation, this is the main area where you can create a title. Here you have to write about the my presentation. My presentation is based on life skill. So children, in this way you can create your presentation. This title option children, what you can do, there is a editing option. So first you have to select your content. After that, what information you want to like bold, or you can change the color of your content. So you can select the desired color of your presentation. There are some styles also, so you can change the text style also for your presentation. So children, this is the layout section. Now if you want to create a new slide, there is a shortcut Control M. When you will press Control M, there is a new slide appear. This is called the thumbnail versions of each slide, like total 1 slide and 2. There are 2 slides. So after that, there is a design template. In the design view, you can see there are different types of design for your presentation. So you can choose a desired option for your presentation which is looking good in your presentation according to you. Now children, there is a transition option. Transition option means it shows the transitions of this slide, ki how slides will appear, like cut. There are some presentation, when you will go to the new version you will get some another features. So in this way content will appear in your slide in the presentation option. So now children, come to the animation option. Animation option is basically applied on the text when you will select the text. So there is a different types of animation for appearance of your text in your presentation. So whatever you want to feel is looking good, you can select the appearance of your text in your presentation. Now children, come to the new slide. In the new slide, again we will write the title, that is life skill. So let's write something about life skill. Life is not a bed of roses. So children, in this way you can write the another slide. So now if you want to create a new slide, again press Ctrl M, and there is a one more option for insert option. Go to the new slide option. So you can insert a new slide also by selecting the title or content slide. So children, let's discuss how can we insert a picture in your first slide. Like there is a presentation option, there is a template. So now if you want to insert picture here, go to the picture option in the insert tab. Then children, you can select pictures. Like picture I want to select from here, like from sample picture, I can select any beautiful picture in our presentation. Now you can resize the size of picture also according to your template. You can observe here I have so you can drag this also, and in your slide this picture will appear. So now children, the next one is the animation option. As we have discussed, animation is based on text. Now there is a slideshow option. Slideshow option will appear. There are so many features which you can apply during the slideshow. So now children, F5 is a shortcut key for running your presentation. Either you can press F5 key for your running your presentation. So you can observe here. Now you will able to run your presentation, or there is another option, that is slideshow at the bottom of the screen. So you can observe here your presentation is ready for your audience. They will judge your skills, what you have planned, new idea about your presentation. So in this way children, we can create our presentation. You can see whatever effect you will apply in your presentation, it will show during the slideshow. So once you can check your presentation, the last option is what you have to do children. You have to go to the file menu. In the file menu children, what you have to do, go to the save option. Then save option, you have to click on desktop, then write the name my presentation, or you can change the name also. So now you can save it. After that, if you will close your presentation, later you want to check your presentation, you can see in desktop there is a my presentation is available. Again you can open your presentation and you can start work in your presentation from the beginning. I hope children you enjoy this class. You have learned so many features related to this